In the most incredible turn of events in Vehicle Virgin's history, I'm about to go for a ride in a 250 GTO. I'm absolutely speechless right now. One of the coolest cars ever made, one of 36, the 250 GTO, 3-liter V12, making just shy of 300 horsepower, one of the most important, if not the most important race cars in Ferrari and all of the automobile's history, going up against a bunch of unbelievably cool vintage race cars. All right, here's an unobstructed point of view drive. So how fun is this thing to drive?
Oh, it's fabulous. I've had it since 1980, December of 83.
Wow.
And 200 races.
Awesome.
I had a wonderful time.
You've taken this to Laguna Seca a bunch, right?
Yeah.
Cool. So I gotta give an absolutely enormous thanks to the Price family dealerships, Ali Hoff, as well as Corey from Con Media for making that 250 GTO ride possible. It was a spur of the moment, last minute thing, and probably the greatest ride I've ever had in my entire life. It's one of those cars where it was on my holy grail bucket list. Obviously, someday I would do anything to review the 250 GTO and review a McLaren F1. But riding in such a piece of history, it was actually surprisingly fast. 300 horsepower, but it felt quicker than that. And the amount of grip was what really, really impressed me. Owner was super friendly. Just so cool to see people who actually drive these pieces of history. Man, what a day. Pulling in the Zonda Revolution. So the reason I'm wearing this ridiculous vest is because it allows me to get on the track where I can film these Formula 1 cars. This is honestly awesome. ridiculous. Shmee getting a lucky passenger ride. So in the next session, all of the hypercars are going out on track. It's gonna be epic. More GT coming through. Unbelievable. In tomorrow's video, I'm actually going to be going for a ride in the GT Mark IV. I am so excited for that. It's absolutely insane. Hypercars coming out. Beautiful matte black Gunther works. Senna GTR. There is the Zonda. Pininfarina. What a ridiculous lineup of cars. So we're going for a ride next with Dirtfish in a rally car. Should be absolutely incredible. Tomorrow we're gonna be in the full-fledged rally WRX, but today we're taking a ride in a BRZ. So it's gonna be cool to see the difference between a BRZ rally car from Dirtfish and the championship-winning 2023 rally cross car. Getting the WRX all dialed in before its next pass. Look at the suspension travel in the rear. It's actually surprisingly loud as well. This is gonna be fun.
Are you making a YouTube video today?
Yeah.
Am I gonna be in it?
Yeah, if you're down. If you don't want to be in it, you don't have to be.
I know I recognize you from somewhere. I just couldn't get it.
Yeah, I'm gonna do this one and then tomorrow in the WRX, so it'll be a cool comparison.
Yeah, cool. Have you ever been in any rally cars or race cars?
Bunch of race cars. I'm trying to think. I've done a nitro electric rally cross car.
Have you been in one of them?
Yeah, that was crazy.
Really
it was
cool.
so fast.
Yeah.
But not on the dirt ever in really anything. Well, that was absolutely awesome. Despite having 200 some odd horsepower, once it gets going, that thing really moves and slides exceptionally well. I'm really excited for tomorrow. I'm gonna be in Brandon Semenuk's World Rally Championship car. It's got a lot more horsepower. It's gonna be all-wheel drive instead of rear-wheel drive, but that was an absolute blast. How cool is this McLaren? Well guys, another absolutely incredible day at the Velocity Invitational, getting to ride in some of the coolest cars in the world. So many unique different vehicles at this event. Tomorrow there's gonna be some insane content, so make sure to subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.